How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to assemble the Friheten or Friheten sofa bed from IKEA. We got this last night and we got the leather material sofa bed. I just thought of doing a time-lapse while I'll try to assemble this. This is going to be my first time to assemble this kind of furniture from IKEA. I previously assembled a closet and a bed that we're having in our bedroom, and this one I do think it's a little bit challenging based on the other videos that I found on YouTube, but it's worth a try to record and document this. I don't know how long it will going to take me since like I said, it's my first time. So yeah, let's just start with the unboxing part. So I'm gonna fast forward this and we're going to do the time lapse now. Let's go. So this is it, guys. Friheten, Friheten. Wish me luck. One of the first thing I do when I assemble stuff from IKEA is to segregate all the nuts and bolts and the wrench that is included inside the box. As you can see over there, yeah, that's what keeping me busy over there for the last few minutes. So I'll continue to do the time lapse now. I just showed it to you what I was doing there. And that's pretty much it for today. I think it took me around less than 2 hours to assemble this. This is my first time to assemble this type of sofa. It's a sofa bed actually. And we chose the leather one because you know, here in Dubai you're always using air condition, and also to just avoid some dust mites and some other, you know, if you're using a leather, it's way much better than the fabric ones. And yeah, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so it will help my channel grow. I'll see you again guys next time. Thank you very much. Shukran. See you next time.